have worries. So, the required qualification for that specific particular job that I was training is bachelor's degree in industrial engineering or industrial technology or related operations management disciplines. Minimum 2 years experience in manufacturing, knowledge of lean manufacturing concepts, communication with co-workers, managers, subordinates, possess strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Must be able to work all shifts. Demonstrated proficiency with Microsoft Office suite, including my MS project. So the second one I'm going to read is for a production engineer, right? Key responsibilities for a production engineer job in US. This is just an example, okay? So this doesn't, give you a picture of like the whole country or anything, right? But it's a sample. The key responsibilities: experienced production engineer with expertise in supporting advanced application and welding operations. Specific skill sets desired include familiar with large plate cutting laser systems, preferably familiar with large tube pipe cutting laser systems. So this is like, telling with CAD/CAM technology that you guys will familiar with their controls, programming and sequence nesting software. So other typical engineering duties: provide engineering support for ongoing handling operations, design methods of maintaining or increasing production levels while improving production cost, yields, quality and safety, develop technical equipment specifications to support process operational steps, evaluate and implement tooling, fixtures and equipment to support process operational steps, troubleshoot process problems and identify solutions, design and conduct plant trials to determine performance capabilities, develop and update process procedures and ensure that documentation is accurate and understandable.
Yeah. Can I stop you for a minute? Shekhar has a unique question. Who is a project engineer? Are project engineers eligible to apply for a designation? For this particular project engineer designation.
Okay. So, project engineer is like my answer. I haven't done much research on that one, but my gut feeling or the thing that I can tell you is project engineer, it comes through the engineering field. Like for example, so any company, especially any manufacturing company, will have their team of engineers, and they have different projects going on, right? So in a company, engineers will have two main tasks. One is helping day-to-day operations, right? That it's a regular operation, production flow, including supply chain and everything. The other engineering duty or responsibility will be sometimes, in small companies, one same person or same team will take care of both, but big companies you will have your different teams. So the second responsibility will be take care of new projects, engineering projects, like improving research and development, those things. So project engineer will be someone who is taking care of a particular project. It could be improvement project, it is research and development related something, you have to take one particular product, and some companies, they will say like just a project manager inside the engineering department. Okay.
So we have an application, Sathika. Yes, we have like few minutes left in our session, so quickly, like we have another question.
I feel like two different things here, right? So one thing is, when you are in a production plant or when you are dealing with the production, you will be using robots to support your production flow. Okay, and to support all the functions and tasks in your production flow, right? So definitely that particular engineer will have to have the knowledge on that stuff. So they are using robotics to support their production flow. The second thing is, there are companies who are dealing with robotics, right? They are producing robots to help other companies to improve their flow. That's like you are totally designing and producing those robots or robotic equipment. Okay, that's the listen.
Great, thank you. And one more question. We don't have enough time. We have 2 minutes left, I guess. What are the higher education opportunities in production engineering?
Okay, so
something like I have get the undergraduate degree in Sri Lanka. What opportunities are there? To do higher education in Sri Lanka or maybe in some other country?
Yeah, so I can give you specific numbers because I did some research in US, right? So if you look at production engineering, there are 17 colleges that offer production undergrad degrees in US, and masters only one university is there. To masters, their PhD there is 0 production. But industrial engineering, there are 88 colleges which offer PhD engineering in US, and there are 68 colleges that universities offers masters, and 51 universities that offers PhDs in industrial engineering. So if you go to manufacturing engineering, there are 65 colleges that offer PhD, and 29 universities for masters, and 3 universities for PhD. Okay. And Sampath, quickly I need to wrap up this one with few steps I wrote down.
Yes, go ahead. We have 1 minute if you can.
Okay. So it's kind of decision guide, right? So when you are deciding on which field to select, okay, so you have to understand do you really want to target some engineering discipline, or will you be better? Will you be okay to go to the management path? Okay, will you be okay to go to software engineering or ERP system consultant path? Then when you have answers to those questions, you can go to the next question. Then decide if you want to do postgraduate or continue with work as a professional. Okay, then which country, right? Or countries you will have the interest. Research the requirements and opportunities in a particular country or countries. Right. So if you are talking about work, it's always start with Sri Lanka, right? Because most of us we initially work there, get some experience, if you are not targeting higher education at once. So start with Sri Lanka, read Sunday Observer, job posting, internet job posting, get an understanding of the industry and market trends, then see what engineering discipline offers, the courses that closely matching what you like to be doing in the industry in your future. Okay? Then that can guide your choice. Choose elective courses wisely. Be mindful to have a proper combination of rational factors and factors that follow your heart, because you should do something you like actually. Then you can do successful, because you should do something that you will love doing. Then it has a higher chance to be successful in that field. Also remember that once you get into the job industry, you may be doing something totally different to the courses you took, but still you could love doing it. So be open and be ready to be flexible at right times.
Alright, thank you, Dhammika. Thank you for your time, and thank you very much for your visit. Alright,
so let them email if they have any further questions.
Yeah, so we'll if you have any questions, you can post back to the forum, or you can directly